Okay, I'm very excited. Welcome to my unboxing video. Here is my new laptop. It's a Samsung Galaxy Book Flex. And this is how an unboxing video should be done. Okay, let's get the paper up. I'm moving my drink in case I spill it. Okay, lifting the lid. Lids off, lids off, lids off. Right, okay. It's got a little tab to help you get it out. Aye. It's out. Let's see what's in here. Box of shit. Power. Oh, doodad. Put you on one side. Okay. I have power. I have a doodad. It's a USB-C to USB old school. Right, you want to see it? You want to see the baby? Okay. Oh man, this is all sealed. That's crazy. Oh no, here. Found it. Being gentle. Here you go. Whoa! Unsheathing! Unsheathing! Wow. That is a gorgeous colour. This is it. My thing. Ooh! Okay. Right, you gotta open that up. Baba. Oh la la. Look. This is so nice. I don't know if it'll turn on because I don't know if it's charged, because this is an unboxing and I literally just got it. I took it out of the box. So let's look. Power. Is that the side in it? Yeah, mum. No, that's the S pen. Isn't it? Is that the power? Nothing's happening. I gotta charge it. That's disappointing, isn't it? Usually they come with some charge, don't they? But anyway, I can show you some of the things it does. So, laptop. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Aha! Tablet. Magic. Viewing device. Laptop. Anywho, this is my new thing. Looking like I've got to plug it in. Oh, wait, I got this as well. Yeah, Polly. S pen. No, you shut up. It's my baby.